These are the tools we will need to be able to disassemble the pulsation damper bladder. The disassembly kit, the filling kit, a 17mm fixed wrench, a 17mm socket wrench, a nylon hammer, a set of Allen keys. Step 1. Drain the gas from the pulsation damper. To do this, use our filling kit. The upper handle must be completely unscrewed. And the side handle has to be completely screwed. Screw the filling kit to the thread of the pulsation damper. Screw the upper hand slowly. You will see on the gauge the dampener precharge pressure. Then you can unscrew the side handle. Wait until the pressure gauge reads 0. Unscrew and remove the filling kit. If the pulsation damper has screws or eye bolts, remove them. Step 2. Unscrew and remove the charging valve. If you do not have a press, lower the gas cap with the nylon hammer. If equipped with a press, lower the cover until it passes the retaining ring. Step 3. Insert a screwdriver into the groove and remove the retaining ring. Look for the size model on the label. If the model is equal to or higher than U060, skip to step 4.1. Step 4. Find the model in the dismantling kit and thread the leg. Do the same with the other two. If the model is equal to or lower than U040, skip to step 5. Step 4.1. For models U060 or higher. Install extenders using the included metric 8 screws. To do this, use the Allen key included. Do the same with the other two. Look for the model in the dismantling kit and thread the leg. Do the same with the other two. Step 5. Screw again the standard charging valve. Step 6. Assemble the wrench of the bladder dismantling tool. Installing the threaded rod. Step 7. Place the star frame above the bladder pulsation damper. Step 8. Screw the threaded extreme of the axis in the charging valve. Step 9. Rotate the two wrench arms clockwise to extract the top lid from the damper housing. Step 10. Once the top lid has been extracted, the bladder can be easily disassembled from it.